Alright, so the first question has we do as always, multiply the negative 2 into the powers of the x term and the y term. So it becomes negative 3 times negative 2 is 6, and 4 times negative 2 is negative 8, and there's nothing to be done at the bottom. And then what we do normally, the big minus small. So in here we have x on the top and the bottom. So this is the power of 6, this is the power of 3. So the big one is on the top, so we will minus the smaller one up, which will give us 3. And then for the y, since 2 is the bigger number, so y 2 minus negative 8. 2 minus negative 8 is 10. So that's done. And for the change of subject, first multiply the denominator over to the other side. So you have n multiplied by k plus 5. Then you expand it in. So nk plus 5n equal to 3n plus k. And since n needs to be the subject, so move the n over as well, leaving k there on the other side. And once I've removed the n, 5n minus 3n is 2n, so with the 2 only because the n is already out here. And then the final step will be divide, so n is equal to k over k plus 2. And then for the third one, you can use a calculator, but you put this 25, 10, and then 1. You'll get an answer of negative 1 over 5 because you have to press Shift ABC to get the fraction. And for that reason, the 5 will go to the front. And since it's a minus 1, so it becomes plus 1. Plus 1 what? Y. So it's y square. Because both of the answers are the same if you press it one more time. And since the first part is repeated, so let's repeat that. And now think about this second part. We have to make a 5x, so it's a negative number, so negative needs to be removed. And 5 times 2 is 10, so there's a negative 2 factor that's removed. And again, I've told you last time, if it's a negative, then you pull out, every sign will change, so this will be a plus. Since you already removed the 2, you have a y, which is what we need because we have the 2 common terms. So that common term is out. And remember, this is 2 of them here, so one of them is pulled out. So there's another 5x plus y along with the minus 2 to be attached. And when it has no real roots, then the discriminant needs to be negative. So b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. See, it's a range, so it needs to have an inequality sign. So b squared minus 4ac, b is 24, a is 4 minus k, and c is 9. And if you do the maths there, okay, so 24 squared is 576, 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 9 is 144, so minus 144. So negative 4 times negative k is positive 4k, and times 9 is 36k. And this is 432, so remove to the other side, becomes negative 432, and then you divide by 36, you get k as less than negative 12.